Hi, I'm Katie, your safety trainer, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone venturing into certain wilderness areas: mountain lion safety. Mountain lions, also known as cougars, pumas, panthers, catamounts, or ghost cats, are majestic yet solitary predators. They primarily inhabit the western United States, with their range extending into Canada and South America, and a smaller population in Florida. These big cats command large territories, and while encounters with them can be rare, they do happen. Encountering a mountain lion in the wild can be an intimidating experience, and attacks, though rare, are a serious matter. Knowing what to do in such a situation is vital. In this video, we'll explore the characteristics of mountain lions, how to recognize signs that indicate their presence in an area, and most importantly, the steps you should take if you find yourself face to face with one of these majestic creatures. Let's talk about how you can identify a mountain lion if you ever come across one. These majestic creatures have a distinct appearance, but sometimes they can be mistaken for other animals, especially when you're out in the wild. So what should you look for? Enjoying this safety video? There's more where that came from on Got Safety Lite. Sign up for free and gain access to our library of over 1,800 safety videos. If we don't have the lesson you're looking for, we'll make it at no cost. Click the link to sign up today. Imagine a slender animal with a small, broad head. That's your first clue you're looking at a mountain lion. Their fur is quite uniform, usually a shade of tan, sometimes with a slight reddish tint, and they have lighter areas on their underbelly. These big cats can vary in size quite a bit, with weights ranging from about 61 to 220 pounds. This range depends on individual factors like age and gender. One of the most distinguishing features of a mountain lion is its size. They measure from 5.5 to 8 feet long, and that includes their tail. Speaking of tails, a mountain lion's tail is quite long and appears heavy, with a distinctive black tip at the end. So if you see an animal that fits this description in the wild, chances are you're looking at a mountain lion. Mountain lions, sometimes called ghost cats, have a knack for staying hidden, but they do leave signs of their presence. Recognizing these signs can give you an indication that a mountain lion might be nearby. First off, let's talk about tracks. If you see a heel with 2 lobes at the front and 3 round lobes at the bottom, along with rounded, uneven toes without any claw marks, that's a mountain lion track. These cats are stealthy, so their tracks can be a telltale sign of their presence. Next, there's scat. Yes, we're talking about their droppings. Mountain lion scat is usually about 6 to 15 inches long and around 1 inch in diameter. It might be segmented or one solid piece with blunted ends, and occasionally one end may be pointy. Kill sites are another clue. Mountain lions often cover their kills with leaves, grass, or dirt to return to later, as they might feed on their prey over several days. Their prey can vary widely from deer and elk to smaller animals like rabbits, turkeys, raccoons, and even porcupines. They've also been known to target other predators such as coyotes. You might also notice scratches and markings on trees, stumps, or logs. These can be from their hind legs making scrape marks to mark territory or during mating season. And if you're in the right place at the right time, you might even hear their vocalizations, which can range from high-pitched screams to cries, whistles, growls, and hissing. Lastly, if a mountain lion has been sighted in an area, local wildlife offices do often post warning notices, so keep an eye out for those public notices too. They're a good reminder to stay alert and be aware of your surroundings in areas where mountain lions are known to roam. If you find yourself in an area where mountain lions are known to inhabit and you happen to encounter one, it's crucial to know what to do. First, a note on bear spray. While it hasn't been specifically tested on mountain lions, some wildlife offices do recommend having it on hand in areas where various predators roam. If you're unsure about your company's policy on carrying bear spray, check with your supervisor. Now, if you do come across a mountain lion, the first thing is to stay calm. Don't run, as this can trigger their instinct to chase. Also avoid crouching or bending down, as this can make you look more like prey. Always leave an exit route open for the animal and don't try to approach or corner it. If the mountain lion starts to approach, try to make yourself appear larger using whatever you have on hand. If it continues to come closer, you can throw objects at it. If you have bear spray, use it, but remember that it's most effective at close range and can be affected by windy conditions. Loud noises and a firm voice can also help deter the animal, but remember, attacks by mountain lions are rare. If an attack does happen, protect your neck and head. Don't run or play dead, and fight back. Target the cat's vulnerable spots like the eyes and the nose using whatever you have. Don't stop fighting until the cat retreats. After the encounter, seek immediate medical attention for any injuries and report the attack to your supervisor and the local wildlife office. Knowing these steps can make a significant difference in such a rare but potentially dangerous situation. To sum up, mountain lions, among the largest cat species in the United States, are known for their elusive nature. These solitary animals are primarily found in the western US and some regions of Florida. Encounters with humans are uncommon and attacks are even rarer, but that doesn't lessen the intensity of such situations. In the rare event that you encounter a mountain lion, it's important to keep your distance and slowly back away. If the cat follows you, try to appear larger, and if necessary, use whatever you have at hand to defend yourself. In the unlikely event of an attack, fight back vigorously and seek medical attention immediately for any injuries. If you work in areas where mountain lions are present and have questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to talk to your supervisor. They can provide you with additional guidance and information. That wraps up our video for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow us on social media for more safety tips and updates. And always remember, your safety is paramount, so stay safe out there.